Hello everyone in cyber world, welcome back to another video. I'm Richard.
And I'm Jennifer, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY. This week we're going to talk to you about drywall anchors.
Okay, the reason for this video is because recently we had some things that we had mounted on the wall that started pulling out, and it was amazing. They all came out at the same time. Kind of like when you buy computers, one goes down and a few days later the other one goes down, and it's like almost as if they have some sort of a timer in them. So anyhow, some items that we had used for hanging started coming out of the drywall, so we wanted to replace that. So let me explain this first of all. Normally you can just use a regular old screw to hold something onto the wall. When you use drywall though, this screw gets loose very easily and eventually just pulls right out. So what a wall anchor, drywall anchor is a device something like this. And the idea behind these things here is that when you when you place the anchor in with the screw, it makes it tighter so that it fits really well with the drywall, and so that it doesn't come out. So we're going to show you a few of the examples, and then we're going to show you the newest one that we purchased, and we're going to give that one a try and see how well it works.
So here's our first example. And what this is, you put this in the drywall, and then you take the screw and you screw this into the drywall anchor. And once you screw it all the way in, it separates and puts it, actually it separates into the drywall and holds it in the drywall.
And this is the second example. This is a really basic model. You have to drill a hole first, just like the other one. You put it in the drywall, then you screw the screw in, and in doing so, this expands and it grips into the drywall better. However, in my personal opinion, this here is just smooth sides. It might expand a little bit, but there's nothing to grip to the drywall itself. So one little pull and the whole thing comes out, and now you have a bigger hole in the drywall. So these personally I think are useless. They often come when you purchase something and the manufacturer gives you some free anchor to hang up the item that you purchase, a picture frame or something like that, but I don't use those. I think I used those once about 1 billion years ago and never again.
So for many years we've been using this one. And what this does is you put it into the wall, and it has a really thick spread of threads, and so it holds it tightly.
One of the key things on these type anchors is they hold up to like 30 or 50 pounds, depend on the type that you get. Also, there are several of them that you don't have to pre-drill or anything. It's just a screw in essence, and you screw it straight into the drywall. Like I said, we've been using this for many years, but these are the very ones that have failed on us recently, so we needed to find something different. And what we've found here is this one here, which is a newer type, at least new to us. This is very similar to the first one that Jennifer showed you, in that when you screw it in, the top two portions spread out, and that allows it to grip on the opposite end of the drywall. However, there's one more feature here. These wings here, as you tighten it, they start spreading out further and further, and what it'll do is it will grip on the back side of the drywall, and the lip on the front will grip on the front side. So you now have pressure on the drywall from both sides, plus you've got this, can you see there's a split there? Plus you have that separating, and so you have like 3 different pressure points holding this in. So we believe that this might be the best option now, and so if any of them that are other anchors start falling out, we're definitely going to be replacing these. So we're just going to show you now what we did to actually utilize these, and how we took out the old ones, and how quick and simple this is. So let's get right into that.
So that was our video using the drywall anchors. We hope it was actually helpful to you.
Okay, next week it's going to be kind of fun for me. I always enjoy this time of the year. I'm going to show you some Christmas ornaments that we're making, that we will be doing custom orders for. Also, we gave away a bunch of handmade or handcrafted ornaments last year to the neighbors. We plan on doing the same thing again this year. Last year we were making 10, 20, 30 a day and trying to keep up with the demand. This year we're going to take an early start, and we're just going to start off with 200, and hopefully that'll be enough. If we need to make some more at a later time, we'll go ahead and do that. But we're going to show you how we make these ornaments. So until we meet again,
bye-bye.